It's time to duel!
I heard the King of Games had another side to him. And that must be you, the Pharaoh.
Duel! Here I go. My turn. I set this monster face down. My turn is done.
My turn. I draw. I kinda have a cool power. I activate my spell card, Miracle Fusion. I fusion summon a monster. Show yourself, elemental hero, Neos Knight. Come out. I summon a monster. I activate my spell card, Neos Fusion. Go, elemental hero, brave Neos. Battle. Get him, Neos Knight. Final Neos Slash. Take this. My monster attacks you directly.
I can still turn this duel around. Now's my chance. My monster's effect activates. All right. I special summon a monster.
Seems like things are looking up for me. I end my turn.
I will not lose. My turn. Part of the cards, guide me. I draw. I'm counting on you. I summon a monster in attack position. From my hand, I activate a spell. All right. I special summon a monster. From my hand, I activate an equip spell. I activate an equip spell. Let's battle! Let's do this! I attack with a monster.
Oh! That's nothing I can't handle.
You're finished. I attack with a monster.
Yugi, I'll get stronger. So I hope we can duel again.
It's not whether you win or lose, it's how you play the game. And for that, this was a great duel.